So I pulled it down here just because it's easier to load down here than up by the house. It's still being built up there. But I think this is going to work out really well. I got a big duffel bag I'm going to put there. And yeah, first night I'm in a motel. After that we're camping. Furnace Creek, man. Looking forward to it. Be a solo ride down, but that's actually that's going to be fun also. So I mean, the whole thing's going to be great. I was really looking forward to it. It's not going to be. I didn't have a. It's the first time I've used the big bag on the top. I think of that as my camping box. So we'll see. I've ridden with it, but and I never knew it was there. Nothing but light stuff in there. Yeah, so I haven't said anything to him, but he's acting really depressed. He knows when I'm packing stuff on the bike, when I'm heading off. You know, he didn't like it when I go on a 2-hour ride. He sure didn't like it when I leave for days. But that's roughly the riding configuration. I've got food. The heavy stuff is all in the lower bags. And the 2 top bags will go straight into the hotel for the first night. And then, yeah, easy peasy. So anything that's heavy is down low. Camping gear is heavy, but it's kind of sitting right where the pillion would be anyway. So, tomorrow is La Rivedere. There you go. Okay, so, packed up yesterday, but today, we're gonna go in a situation where we've got all the worst weather. Beautiful day yesterday. La Rivedere. make an adjustment to my layering, adjustment to Bluetooth, just make a few adjustments here. See if I can get off. Oh, fuck. It's only during the big tours that's a problem. That duffel won't be riding with me. After that, what people call the PITA, pain in the ass of I-5. But I'm definitely warmed up.